that if you check your maps and go to tasks, there's this task called claimed supplies, and we already have here. Well, this is not the updated amount; it's the amount from pre-my FunUp. So, well, one small presentation here. You guys stay your eyes on the map and don't be alarmed that I'm going to start shooting. Just check the numbers on the map. I just have to empty this one. All right. So now, if you see, we have 673 pieces of ammunition. Now I'm going to reload. And magic, -1.
Yo.
Magic.
I'm not going to show the medical, but it works. It works for now this way, but it's a thing we will have to discuss later, I think, when the system is going to be introduced. If you're going to basically use any kind of the medical supplies like bandages, morphine, whatever, after using 10 of those, we are just going to lose 1 medical supply. So, well, basically this way, and it does not count things like checking pulses or stuff like that. And then we have the scrap. So basically, ammunition is we can get ammunition by searching crates like those. And in similar fashion, we can check those things like medical supplies can be also found in crates. I made those to be easy distinguished, but it can be applied to any kind of the box. To be honest, any kind of the unit. So it doesn't matter. And scrap, on the other hand, you can get from salvaging wrecks and vehicles of the wrecks. And also one more thing that can be claimed, but I will show it later because we don't really have a claimable vehicle here, is, well, vehicles. You can claim vehicles by just interacting with them. And then later on, we can decide whether we want to claim them or, for example, turn them to scrap or just discard them at all. I will show it later. So now, who wants to give it a try?
I do, teacher.
So go ahead and search this container. Yeah, don't worry. Yeah, don't worry about the animations on the hunter. They are buggy. They're going to be all right on these.
I find nothing.
Yeah, you found nothing. So basically, Sky, can you open the doors to this supply drop point, or whoever? All right. So Snipe, try to carry it inside to those boxes at the end. In the meantime, Drex, you can search this container. So.
Oh, clever that is.
So nothing happened here, Snap. So as you can see, your supply did not disappear because this one box is empty. But now see, Drex is going to bring this here.
I'm looking on the map.
And you see, it's delivered. God. So what we were testing here last time, when empty container was in the trigger area, it was not working. So that's one of the bugs I fixed, and I'm glad it works. So as you can see, the task for
user joined your channel
has disappeared. Okay, somebody already searched another ones. And you can see that our amount of the ammunition in the task, in the claimed supplies, the main one, has changed to 807. Don't worry, there's not going to be so many supplies. I just had to add a modifier to make sure, because it's pretty randomized. You may find or may not find something in the crate. So I just added made sure we're going to have at least one case of the empty and full one. So now if somebody wants to do a similar thing for the medical. Yeah.
Okay, so this box didn't go in through here yet, no?
Yeah, and it won't go because it's empty. This one you shouldn't just take with you at any point because, well, if it's empty, what's the point?
Right, so I brought a box in and that was the 135, but then someone else brought a box in and that finished the task. So explain to me how that works. Do we need 2 boxes to finish one?
No. As I said, I was testing a bug because last time if somebody placed an empty cargo inside, it was blocking the normal, the full one from getting. This one's just empty, discarded. We only get the update because you didn't find any supplies. It was Drex. Drex found them in other container.
Right.
So you can just do it. Just do it one by one on those.
Find nothing again. That's really fucking unfortunate. So there's no point bringing this one in then.
No, there's no point. Yeah,
so I'll throw this over here.
And Cracker found. Yeah, don't worry. These are rigged. These were supposed to have 1 empty and 2 full.
Okay, so he takes it in there. And it gets completed. That's really clever, dude.
That's pretty simple. Yeah. All right, so that was the first test, and it works.
Very good.
So that's cool. So, Sky, would you like to fly us to crash site Ackley?
There's Beowulf.
Oh, Will was here too. All right.
He's
I'm just going
human.
to fill him in quickly. I think he was here on the last
Yeah.
lap though. Yeah, right?
He found some of the books.
All right, awesome. So he knows the drill.
Yeah.
Hey,
Hello,
Bill.
Beowulf.
Hey.
If you could grab whatever, like for example, at least engineer backpack and the engineer perms.
Alright.
So,
Right.
do you need engineer perms for all of this to work then?
No,
Yeah.
no. Engineer perms are going to be no. You don't need engineer
Okay.
perms for
No, you just
searching
need
the
them to snap
supplies,
stuff, don't you?
but you are going
for
to need
later
engineer
on.
perms for
see.
for salvaging.
The vehicle stuff, I got it.
That's
Yeah.
cool.
What about claiming?
Uh,
I know you're probably going to say all this anyway, but claiming vehicles, is that for anyone to do?
Yeah, it's for anyone to
Okay.
do, and for now it's very simplistic because the base idea is that each vehicle is going to be added to this tasks list. So at the end of the
Yes.
op, you can take a screenshot. Then this way we know what
Perfect.
vehicles we claimed. It's not foolproof because you can also claim the vehicles, for example, from the CIS this way.
Right.
But also my end
User
game for
left
this
your
is
channel.
to initialize this kind of add-on that's, let's say,
User
works a bit
joined
like a
your channel.
database. So at the end of it's just going to create a file which will contain all this information. So in the end, we are not going to need to do those screenshots, just temporary, before I figure out how it works exactly. And hopefully because also one more thing, for the supplies to be up to date, some Zeus will have to go into one file and update the supplies amounts according to the quartermaster logbook before his operation starts. So in the end, I just hope the file we're going to have on the server is just going to work both as the dump file for us to check what we managed to claim, and then it's going to also be used by the mission files to get the updated amount of supply. So hopefully you won't have to keep track of it at all. I mean, we will have, but only to check the file, how much we have. Well, like that's basically it. Also one thing we didn't check, but I will just go to Zeus. Give me a second. Okay, so I destroyed one of the crates and the task disappeared. So if you destroy supplies on the way, they're just going to be lost.
Ooh. I'm just trying to land in a cool, realistic way.
There's no enemies here, Sky. You can just land straight away.
I know, but I'm still flying.
Alright. And don't do anything just yet. I'm going to explain step by step what we're going to do. Alright, so follow me. Right, so what we are going to do now is basically we're just going to search. We don't have to search all of them, but I'd like to get at least like, how many there's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 of us, so if everyone could search one box for supplies, and if you find a box, bring it to the lat. If it's going to be empty, search for the one that is not empty, right? So everyone brings one full box to the lat, and you have to load it inside.
How does one pick this box up? You don't.
Let them do the loading. I'm sick as fuck. I'm just gonna eat my dinner.
Perhaps somebody already checked through it.
No,
it's empty.
I searched this one, and it is full of 30 whatever. And I
This
just
one?
don't have,
This one I'm carrying?
Yeah, didn't have Ace interact for me.
Maybe you just have to get closer. Sometimes those interactions are pretty far.
Strange.
Just try to crouch, and now, you see?
Yeah.
Does this canonically mean that we are Jedi? If we are levitating the boxes.
Oh, how's the weather?
Why is this happening?
I have no idea. You're just randomly tripping?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Alright, now guys, don't take any more. Don't take any more. Now, Drex, come with me. This one is search. Can you interact with this one? Search this one.
Yeah, I can.
Alright, just go ahead and do it. Oh, did you search it already, Drex?
No.
Search it first. Search it first.
Searching.
Okay, can anyone else interact again with this box? Do you guys see the search action?
No.
Alright, awesome. Another bug from my scratch list.
Yeah.
Alright, don't bother loading it. But that's enough, Drex. Yeah. Alright, guys. Now the next. So we already established. Actually, Drex, start shooting at this one. But stay away from it. It may kill you. Oh, you can. I made you invincible. Never mind. Yeah. Yes. Shoot. Start after. It has to start burning. You can help him, guys. Oh, it does already. Alright. Awesome. It works. Alright, guys. So now salvaging. So who wants to salvage?
Sure.
Alright, Wolf, go ahead and salvage this tank. So this one is basically a prop, and this one has explicitly
to
placed
post
script code. Oh, I might have removed. Never mind. This one is not salvageable. Sorry. So you can claim one of those. Yeah, just go ahead and claim it. Do you see the claim? Alright.
Surprised I can carry this.
Guys, do you see the claim action?
No.
Oh, that's weird.
But the other one worked. The ATT. AAT.
So those
Claim.
here, maybe somebody. Huh.
Hmm.
But don't claim anything just yet.
No, that's what I'm looking underneath.
Claim this one.
No.
Alright, so for some reason you can't claim the vehicles that were pre-placed in the zoos. Okay, so set Scarbosco space. Yeah, give me a second. I'm just going to make a quick look through the code.
Am I meant to be able to scrap the big ship?
Yeah, that's intended.
Okay.
You can go ahead and do it if you want to.
Alright.
Wait, since when do we have these? Speed.
Right. So you can't claim any of those. This one most probably is not letting you do anything at all, and that's intended. Alright. Guys, I'm going to blow one up. Can you scrap this warthog?
Yes.
Alright, so scrapping works.
Oh, that.
Wait.
I forgot to tell you one issue.
Yeah.
The ace repair settings are broken. You can repair stuff without use ace interaction to like yellow.
What
Like
is broken?
if you look at that vehicle,
Alright.
you can repair it by using mouse wheel. The ace interaction doesn't seem to be needed anymore. Is there an error in the
It
file?
is here. I can see it here.
Yeah, I know, but I have the option the normal way, which will turn have that off.
I'm
strongly.
confused. Which option do you mean?
The vanilla Arma 3 repair vehicle on scroll wheel. I just repaired it. Like everything at the same time.
You mean you don't see the action to repair?
I do, but the vanilla option is also enabled, so I can just use the vanilla one and repair it immediately. Everything at the same time. I repaired it already, that's why you can't. So they just it's not a bug. Yeah, well, I just didn't know, but I found out like a week ago, but I forgot. It's also on the LED because I already Python tested.
Got a man down.
Ah!
Ah, that hurt.
How much scrap are you actually getting?
Medium vehicles like I think AATs.
The reason
Then
I'm asking is
large vehicles like this one thing here, and the ship that was already scrapped is the gargantuan size.
the reason
So
I'm asking is because
the larger vehicle,
no.
the more scrap. Yeah.
Don't know, am I supposed to be able to scrap this or not?
you know what I'm
Because
I
I
don't
thinking,
currently
think
Sai?
you
am
should
We
be
can
unable
able.
probably
to.
have like
Oh,
a
Yeah,
I
donation
can't.
it's not
system.
going to work. Yeah,
Well,
I'm
let's
not
say
going
we
to.
need 10 tons of scrap to make a lab, for
Right,
example.
I'm going to place some vehicles here, and now we're going to do similar thing. Check if we can claim them, and then we'll check if we can scrap them. So give me a second. Alright.
Yes and yes.
I can claim it.
But I can steal vehicles that were already claimed.
I've just claimed one. And this.
Yeah.
And this.
Apparently you can claim them multiple times, I just can't claim them at all.
Weird.
Has this been claimed?
Alright, I'm going to explode this one. Alright, I can let you go ahead and scrap it. You guys are invincible, don't worry. Go ahead and scrap it. Okay, let's still see the action for scrap. Yeah, we
Yes,
can
you
both scrap
can
it, alright?
scrap it.
Am I on fire?
Who's taking damage? Oh, what?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have two
What?
of them because we both were scrapping it.
Wait.
Now one more test.
Invincible?
Oh well, he probably wasn't.
Oh, my days.
This is the second time.
Okay,
this,
sorry, I forgot to make you invincible. My bad.
This is the second time in this short testing.
This one has been. Oh, that's weird. So, did anyone claim those?
No, I claimed the 80.
Alright, maybe
Alright,
just
so
get
if
addressed
some of them can be claimed, maybe I just. Alright, this might be a
Oh,
easy
I've
fix
already
then.
claimed these. It did work.
Alright, and nobody else could claim them, right?
No.
Yeah.
Right, awesome. So I think the issue is easy fix. Alright, now I'm going to. Alright, guys, now one person only scrap it. One person,
I'll do it.
no one else, yeah.
Mm.
Oh, and now we don't see action from you.
Yeah, it's gone.
Midway
Why?
through scrapping the gargantuan ship, my admiral
It
character
changed it to
just got up and walked
Samuel
off.
Rob.
Oh, wait a second, I'm noting a bug. Depends on the vehicle, might be the matter of.
Just my character, like in the middle of the 40-second animation to scrap the ship, my character just got up and walked off screen.
I hate this.
Yeah, the animations in Armor and Plays are pretty awkward. So what actually is happening when you guys start scrapping? Your player becomes invisible. In your place, the guy AI is being spawned. He gets your loadout and he does the animation and he disappears and you appear again. So basically, yeah. So it's a pretty like well.
Yeah, I just
funny this way.
left.
All right, give me a
Right.
second. I need to check my. All right.
What happens
Yeah,
if
how
we
much
all
cargo
just decide to
space does this
scrap
one
one
have?
of the speeders?
Okay, free cargo space. Cracker, can you check how much cargo space this one has inside? Few interactions and cargo. How much does it say?
Cargo. 3.
All right, awesome. Now let's do the same thing on the swamp speeder.
5.
Okay, so that's weird because for me it says it's free as well.
Yeah, that's
It's 5.
It has a spare wheel, which is confusing me.
Don't ask.
Yep.
Okay.
Can I unload
Seems
the spare
something
wheel?
just works differently for me and the. That's interesting. All right, and this 80.
25.
And for me it's 2. All right, it's definitely the matter of the locality.
I'll just take this over here and
All right, bear with me a little longer. All right. Okay, I think that's all I wanted to check in here. All right, guys, let's get back to that. Okay, can you bring us back to the hunter?
I'll question it.
I won't.
Ryan?
I think so, yeah. Worst case scenario, can just respawn. But I want this cargo to be taken to the hunter. Alright, so I assume we have in cargo only boxes that have been searched, correct? Like everyone searched the box before bringing it to the lab.
Yeah.
Drexel?
Yeah.
Right. Type, are you on the
What does this thing?
Yeah, this thing. Snipe, you with us? I can hear you talking. I feel like we're ignoring him.
The ground underneath me is so buggy. It keeps flickering.
So make sure to land on the landing pad. I will remove this lad. Give me a second.
No.
Ah, it's fine.
You've
No.
been very quiet the whole time.
Sky, get to the other one. It's too far from here to
Oh.
carry it.
Oh,
Well,
you
I
know
was
what?
just waiting in TeamSpeak. I heard Snipe, but once
Okay.
I loaded into the game, I didn't hear you.
I was wondering why you were so awkwardly silent all this time.
User disconnected from your channel. User joined your channel.
Right. What I was saying was one person should do all the unloading, and then everyone else drags. So don't
Yeah, but
everyone
for
go
now,
for the unloading.
for now, let's just unload like 2 boxes, and I want to make sure we
okay.
can search them
You
again
have
after
someone
unloading.
unload on each side. That way they don't interact with each other.
Wait, you have to stay away from thing. Somebody's blocking me. Alright, now I'm
I'm
unloading.
staying back.
And
Cargo
don't
and
bring
lats
them,
don't
don't bring
mix.
them to supply drop just yet.
It's fine because you can select where to put them down after you grab them.
Alright. I'm just going to release it here. And I can't search it, that's alright. I'm going to carry it to the drop point. Make sure to check if any of those crates can be searched. They shouldn't be.
Okay,
Unloading.
Cracker, you unload them for everybody.
We'll go.
Okay,
That's
that
it.
one can't be searched. You can carry it off.
Could not be unloaded, oh well.
Interact menu is back now.
Can't be searched either. Drexel, you take that
Yeah,
one.
I think with the logistic system like this time, we'll slightly have to adjust the way we operate, like more breaks between the objectives and returns the fucking counter to unload this shit.
I mean, I also don't think we're going to place so many supplies. Like here,
Yeah.
it's just for the testing purposes.
Yeah.
Most probably just going to be like few crates.
Oh, 25 seconds. This will be a big one.
Yeah, that's the
Oh,
one
yeah,
I put in.
I can
There's the big one.
I can search this one for supplies.
I don't think
Wasn't
so. I
that-
think that was the one over there.
Yeah, that was the one over there.
I'll take this one back. I brought it.
Drexel, just stand still for a second.
I can't even pick the.
No, not while you're carrying anything. Might put me in danger.
Yeah.
Yes, I can search it.
That'll always fix it.
Right.
Always.
Oh.
We don't need to unload them all, do we?
Uh-oh. What if I put one of these boxes in the arsenal? It's just inside the arsenal.
Right.
Can I test that with the empty box?
Okay, let me think for a second.
There we go.
Okay, so the cargo space is a bit odd still.
Is there a script in place that you can search them if they've been confirmed to be empty? You can't search them if they're full.
Guys, can you gather up?
Allow for me to have the same idea.
Right,
I should have decided.
So I just want to quickly summarize what we have found. If you could stop being fucking monkeys for a second. Right,
Apologies.
The bugs I have noted today are the animation lag. So basically, when you are starting to searching, there's this lag where you can see this unit that goes in your place for like a small second. Then the vehicles that were placed in the editor, you guys couldn't claim them, which is fun. I could claim them. Actually, Sky, could you respawn? I mean, abort and go to the second Zeus slot.
User left your channel.
Okay, I will go on.
Caution.
Yeah, the vehicles spawned by Zeus can be claimed by each players. Some can't though. All right. So yeah, you guys, when somebody claimed the vehicle, I still could claim it again, which made duplicate missions. But it wasn't the case for all the vehicles because some of the vehicles were losing the ability to be claimed again.
User joined
Correctly.
your channel.
Okay, what up?
Right, Sky, if you could quickly teleport to the LZ Eklay, and now try one of those placed. Actually, let me give me a second.
Of course, then.
You raise me up.
You do know this will be going on the video.
Oh, Nate, it's great.
I didn't know.
I'm floating. I'm floating.
I want to find out what happens if I just put this in the Ace Arsenal.
Oh, we're floating there. Oh, wait, I'm
That's
still
something to
floating.
What if you
test.
set it
Another
on
period.
top of him?
I'm still.
Wait, I should
Like
be able
drop the
to.
box
Alright,
on?
I
sorry,
should be able
sorry,
to
I'm
wound
back.
him and then carry him.
All right. So it's not related to me being Zeus. And scrapping had similar issues. Some vehicles could be scrapped by two people at the same time, and therefore we managed to get two supplies out of one vehicle. And then we checked the cargo space, and for me, cargo spaces were different than for you. So, for example, I saw on AAT I had only 2 cargo space, and Cracker, for example, seen 25. And last thing, the large crate, so the one you brought with us, Snipe, after putting it inside the LAD and unloading it here, either lost the interaction or the interaction was too far for us to be able to access it. So these are the bugs I noticed. Did you guys notice anything else that didn't behave well in the way you guys would expect? All right. So, well, basically that's it. Thank you guys for coming. If you really want to, I can drop you on this objective. You can just take some ridiculous weapons with you and clear it, but only if you want to. If somebody does not want to, you can just log off. It's just going to be plainly simple shooting, nothing else. So,
I'll do it.
who wants to stay? All right, Snipe
I'll
stays.
stay.
I'll stay.
All right, Drake stays,
Cracker
Bill
is
stays,
staying.
Cracker stays. Sky, you stay with us? All right, he's not listening. So if you guys want to, you can just pick up any. I'm actually going to make it a full arsenal.
Oh.
Oh,
yeah.
yes.
I'm gonna grab an
Oh.
AK. Old jihad on it.
This is what I've been waiting for.
So
Sooner-
as the prize for helping me today, you can guys literally don't use the interaction. You have to get close here and use the interaction for arsenal, because the one used with the action is going to be our regular one. You can grab the most ridiculous weapons and armors you want to.
Where is my full like that? This is going on video.
Still a
right,
normal
so-
arsenal for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, it's
I
still
think- You have to place a normal one down.
Okay, I'm going to do it. Give me a second.
this is all going on video.
Yeah.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
What?
What's that?
That flying
Oh, yes,
overhead.
it is on.
Why is
Okay,
why
this
is
crate is arsenal.
You're saying it like
Ah.
it's like a discrete porn shoot, Drexel. It's just.
I'm just going to test something quickly.
Oh,
Yep.
User left your channel. User joined your channel.
Ah.
that froze the game.
Also one thing, when somebody gets hit, everyone can hear it, right?
Yeah.
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 All right.
Everyone, my game froze.
I thought
Alright,
it was
this-
a second.
Yeah, this
Oh,
one I
yeah.
just made for fun, but I may just remove it. Okay.
Death Watch. How does one jump pack?
It's control space. Going on.
Ah.
Alright.
Alright.
Just tell me when you guys are ready.
Yeah.
Don't take too long, guys. Not too much, Barbie.
Oh no.
Just get in, get it done. Get shooting.
What the hell is this?
Yeah, I'm back.
A heavy
Hi, back.
repeater.
Oh, just watching
back.
Zeus.
Oh, I've got
Sniper.
that. I've got that.
Sky, if you want to join them, I'm just letting them
Nah,
to.
I'm just watching Zeus because I'm so sick.
Alright.
Alright. I am
Oh yeah,
ready.
this is.
Wow.
Where
Oh,
is Rex block?
Actually.
But not gonna lie, Snipe, I said do something crazy and you just took Kalashnikov.
I just wanted to play
Says a lot about- says a lot about you.
Could I possibly want? All I want's an AK.
You can get more crazy with that.
Gonna make
Rotary
this, no,
chain
this
gun.
is about as crazy as I want to go.
Oh no.
Let's just
I
quickly
don't
get
want to end
myself
up looking
some
like
ammo.
that. It's like one of these agents.
Oh, do I have space in my uniform for a
I actually fucking hate this
concussion
white.
rifle?
Uh,
Oh,
Where are my explosives? Yeah, ruin.
I'm a
So
rich
Rosen, is the
guy.
panel guys ready?
yes.
Yeah, just teleport us now. It'll be alright.
Sure,
Alright.
citizen. The worst that could happen. I don't have any ammo in my bags. The worst that can happen. My
needs
concussion
ammo?
rifle is just straight up
I am ready.
useless. Okay, I'm ready.
That's not a gun. This is a gun.
It's my day off.
Then I got the.
Yes,
How
it
is
is.
that?
Gun.
Uh,
Oh. Oh my god. Red smoke.
what does this do?
Where even are we?
What the fuck?
Yes, I think yes.
Okay, we've got to go this way, guys.
Oh,
Are you ready? Are you ready? Wait.
This concussion rifles are actually just bad.
Yo, yo. Do you have any
Yeah.
C4?
No.
Put it on me. Ah,
Guys.
yeah. Shit. No ammo.
Huh?
Time for some fucking fist fighting. Ah! Ah! Fucking punch! Ah! Ah! No! I need more ammo. Can I get Zeus heal? TP please, don't know.
Ah.
Ah! Controlling hitching this bitch.
No. No. Oi.
Where?
Oh, down there, I think. Yeah, there's a couple of them. Melee.
Alright, good job. That's it. There's nothing more to kill here.
Oh wait, that one's
Alright.
It's a very
moving.
cool location.
Oh yeah, well, from my previous event, so I didn't have to do much effort.
Oh, that's
Alright,
good.
I'm gonna
Good to
end this
know.
scenario. Thank you guys again for coming. Hope hope next time when we are going to be testing it is going to be ready to implement. I'm
No,
ending
cheers
this
for
scenario.
making all this stuff. It's really cool. Really, really cool.
Yeah, I hope it's going to get less buggy anyway. Alright, thanks.
Bye.
Oh, yeah.
I'm invincible.
User left your channel.